Imagine you have just finished assembling your remote control kit, a project you have poured your time and effort into. How do you make sure it is truly ready for its first adventure? Before its maiden run or flight, your assembled remote control kit should successfully pass several essential basic tests, including a thorough visual inspection, a power-up check, a control function test, and a radio range check. These steps ensure everything is correctly connected and operational. Performing these initial tests is crucial for both safety and the longevity of your remote control model. It helps you catch any assembly errors or loose connections before they can cause damage to the toy or create a frustrating experience during its first use. First, conduct a careful visual inspection. Look over your entire model, ensuring all screws are tight, wires are securely routed and not pinched, and any moving parts like suspension components or hinges move freely without binding. Confirm that all major components like the motor, battery, and electronic speed controller are mounted firmly. Next, perform a power-up check. Carefully connect the battery, turn on your remote control transmitter first, and then turn on the receiver in your model. Listen for any unusual sounds and observe if all indicator lights on the receiver or speed controller illuminate as expected. This sequence is important for establishing a proper connection. Once powered up, move on to the control function test. This is where you check that your remote control signals are correctly translated to your model. For cars, verify that the steering servo moves the wheels left and right in the correct direction when you move the steering wheel on your transmitter. Then, gently apply a small amount of throttle to confirm the motor spins or the wheels turn forward and backward as intended. For flying models like drones or airplanes, carefully check each servo or motor. Move the control sticks on your transmitter and observe that the corresponding control surfaces or propellers respond correctly. Make sure that when you push the stick forward, the model would pitch down, and so on. Also, verify that the motor speed increases or decreases smoothly with the throttle input. Finally, perform a radio range check. This test verifies that your transmitter can maintain a reliable connection with your model at a safe distance. Often, your transmitter will have a dedicated range check mode that reduces its power output for a close range test. Follow your manual's instructions for this specific test, typically confirming solid control at 30 feet or 10 meters. This helps prevent sudden signal loss during operation. An important insider tip is to check for a fail-safe setting. Many modern remote control systems allow you to program a fail-safe which dictates what the model does if it loses signal, for example, stopping the motor or returning controls to neutral. Always confirm this is set correctly before using your model. This small but vital step can prevent your model from running away or crashing if communication is lost. By diligently performing these basic tests, you are not just checking boxes, you are building confidence in your remote control model. You ensure a smoother, safer, and much more enjoyable first experience, allowing you to focus on the fun of driving or flying your newly assembled kit.